Friends, Help Desk now has macros, and I'm putting on the orange hat because I started my career in support and I would not have wanted to do it without macros. So check this out. Here I am in the Help Desk settings, and if you opt into the beta, you'll see a macros section here. If you've created any macros, you'll see them here. You can create a new macro by clicking this. You give it a name, a description, a message, and you select a ticket-based workflow for some automated content action. So to show you what this looks like, I've created this issue a refund one. I've given a little description for my support reps. Here's the text that is going to be put in the message, and then it's going to enroll this ticket into the issue a refund workflow. So if we hop over to Help Desk and take a look at this in action, if I'm on this ticket here, there's this little macro section right here. If I'm a seated Service Hub Enterprise user, I can see this issue a refund option. I can select it. In goes the text. And if I send and apply, then it will kick this process off. This is now in beta. Opt yourself in. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.